Hello everybody, welcome to Acupuncture and Above. Today's topic is beyond the traditional acupuncture practice. We're shining a spotlight on a critical waste product produced by our bodies, uric acid. Did you know, even if you don't have gout, having too much uric acid in your body can increase your chances of other health problems? In this episode, we will take a deeper dive into uric acid, exploring how it affects our bodies and how it can affect our overall well-being. As we delve deeper into the understanding of the uric acid and its effects on the body, it is becoming increasingly clear that high uric acid levels can lead to a variety of health problems beyond just gout. I will explore some of the cutting-edge research surrounding uric acid and its role in various health conditions. First, uric acid has been linked to the development of kidney diseases because the kidneys play a key role in removing excess uric acid from the body. And when they are not functioning properly, uric acid levels can rise and contribute to the development of kidney disease such as renal stones and chronic kidney illness. Uric acid and cardiovascular disease. This is believed to be due to the uric acid's ability to increase oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, both of which have been linked to heart disease. In addition, uric acid has been found to directly impair the function of the endothelium, the inner lining of blood vessels, which can contribute to the development of cardiovascular disease. Uric acid and diabetes. High uric acid levels have been found to be associated with an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes, and research has suggested that uric acid may play a role in insulin resistance and the development of glucose intolerance. Uric acid in neurological conditions. There is growing evidence that high uric acid levels may contribute to the development of Parkinson's disease, a neurodegenerative condition that affects movement. One recent study has revealed a potential connection between high levels of uric acid and the onset of the tremors. Findings suggest that elevated levels of uric acid could contribute to the death of dopamine-producing neurons, which are essential for maintaining proper movement and motor function. From our clinical experience, acupuncture is quite effective reducing tremor. But how to maintain and keep up the good results from acupuncture has been a challenge. This recent discoveries of uric acid is very helpful for us to improve the treatment results to patients who suffer tremor. In addition, elevated levels of uric acid have been associated with the elevated risk of stroke, which occurs due to a disturbance in blood flow to the brain. Understanding how uric acid affects our brain is highly encouraging and can aid in achieving better outcomes. Uric acid and the gut microbiome. The gut microbiome is the community of microorganisms that live in our digestive tract, and recent studies have found that the composition of the gut microbiome can have a significant impact on uric acid levels. For example, some gut bacteria have been found to produce purines, which can increase uric acid levels, while others have been found to break down purines and lower uric acid levels. This opens up the new treatments for conditions related to high uric acid levels by manipulating the gut microbiome. So for acupuncture treatment, we need to improve the digestive function and then regulate the gut microbiome by yourself. That's the best part of acupuncture. Now that we know the impact of uric acid on our bodies, you may be left a burning question. Where does uric acid come from? According to the newly published book, Drop Acid, by Dr. David Perlmutter in February of 2022, he summarized the three main sources of uric acid: purines, fructose, and alcohol. Let's talk about purines first, because uric acid is primarily formed in the body as a result of the breakdown of purines. Purines can come from both internal and external sources. Internal purines, we call them endogenous purines, are those that are naturally produced within the body as part of a normal metabolic process. They come from the breakdown of cells because purines are building blocks of DNA, RNA, and ATP. External purines, on the other hand, are those that come from the diet, red meats, organ meats, seafood, and certain vegetables such as mushrooms and asparagus. Both internal and external purine contribute to the formation of uric acid, a waste product that is excreted by the kidneys. In healthy individuals, the release of purines from dying cells is a normal process that is cleared by the body's immune system. However, in certain medical conditions, such as cancer, autoimmune disease, and inflammatory disorders, the release of purine can be excessive and lead to a range of health problems. Fructose and alcohol are also known to contribute to the production of uric acid. Fructose is a type of sugar that is found in many sweetened beverages and processed foods. When fructose is metabolized, it can lead to the production of uric acid. Alcohol, on the other hand, can increase the production of uric acid by interfering with the excretion of uric acid from the body. Besides, certain medications such as diuretics can also increase the production of uric acid. I have dedicated an episode on fructose and glucose. This episode will give you a clear understanding of fructose and help you make wise food choices. I highly recommend you watch or it as a biomarker. Healthcare professionals can detect these conditions earlier and take appropriate action to prevent further complications. Therefore, I watch your uric acid level. I've got some amazing tips and tricks and natural remedies that I cannot wait to share with you on the next episode. I'm sure you don't want to miss that, right? So be sure to stay tuned. Okay, it was great to have you with us today. If you enjoyed the show, please share it with your friends. Subscribe. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more exciting episodes in the future. All right,